Okay, 35 is asking us for the equation of a tangent line to this curve right here at the spot where W is equal to 1/8. So let's find our point of tangency first. F of 1/8 is going to equal, all right, we've got a log base 2 of a W value here of 1/8. So what's going on right here, guys? What they're asking you for log base 2 of 1/8 really is 2 raised to what power? That's the question right there, is equal to 1/8. Well, if that troubles you just a little bit, 2 to what power is 8? That would be 3, so this is going to be a negative 3 here. 2 to the negative third power is equal to 1/8. Okay, so with that in mind, the W value we started with was 1/8. The F value we came out with was negative 3, and that right there is our point of tangency. So that's one of the things that we needed, but now let's get working on coming up with the slope of our tangent. So F prime of W, here we go. We've got a derivative, not of a natural log, but of a log base 2 of W. So the derivative of a logarithm is going to begin with 1 over whatever that number there, it's called a product is, so that's going to be a 1 over W. We multiply that by the derivative of that number, which in this case is just 1, and then we have to divide that or multiply by 1 over the natural log of the base of your logarithm, which is 2. So, that's kind of ugly. Looks like we end up with a 1 over, and this is a W times the natural log of 2. Okay, not great, but that's what it is. And so we're now going to evaluate F prime at this W value of 1/8. So that's a 1 over, weird complex fraction, 1/8 times the natural log of 2. Well, that 1/8 in the denominator, I would just multiply by its reciprocal. That would become an 8 on top and make that 8 over the natural log of 2. And that right there is the slope of our tangent line. So we have the two things that we need now, the point of tangency and the slope of the tangent. So let's go to point slope form. Y minus the y coordinate of your point of tangency, that's a y plus 3, equals our slope, which is 8 over the natural log of 2, and then in parentheses, x minus your x coordinate here, which is 1/8. Gotcha. Now, distributing the 8 into all of that, I'm not really sure if that's something that would be all that useful. It would get kind of ugly here. And I'm looking at their answer. They kind of left it in that form right there. All they did is subtract a 3 from both sides, and that's how they got what's called point slope equation here, guys. 8 over the natural log of 2 times in parentheses x minus 1/8, and then they just left it as a minus 3 at the end. The reason they did that, guys, is that even if you did distribute this slope inside there, nothing, even though there's a constant there, nothing would combine with that minus 3 because that constant would have a natural log in it, and it would just be a big ugly mess. So leaving it right here was good enough for them, and that's going to be good enough for me too, guys. So that's our answer for number 35.